Skoda's first SUV was the practical and clever little Yeti. That was 10 years ago, and in 2018, the Karoq drove in as its successor. While India did get the Yeti as a pricey yet well-built car in 2010, we are yet to see the Karoq. But we are told that will change by next year.
Although it was introduced almost 2 years ago, it is still important for us because Skoda is planning to launch the SUV in India by late 2020. Today, we got to spend some limited time with the SUV in Prague, and here's what we have to say about the upcoming Skoda Karoq.
This is the top spec Karoq Sportline trim, and it essentially looks like a downscaled version of the bigger and glitzier Kodiaq. Up front, the Karoq gets a similar face with the signature butterfly grille, rectangular headlamps with Skoda's crystalline design elements, LED daytime running lamps, and trapezoidal fog lamps positioned below. However, the visual highlight of the Sportline trim is the extensive use of glossy black elements, which can be seen on the grille, bumper, and ORVMs. The black treatment works particularly well with the deep red paint scheme. There's a similar black treatment added to the roof rails, side skirts, and a set of handsome-looking 18-inch Myticas light alloy wheels. And then there's the Sportline badging above the front fender. Rear has a nicely sculpted tailgate with stylish C-shaped wraparound LED tail lamps and body-colored bumpers. The contrast here is added by the black underbody cladding with an end-to-end chrome insert adding a premium touch. There's a premium black interior and the cabin comes across as well finished straight away.
The SUV also comes with these stylish, sporty, bucket-style seats that are upholstered in black fabric along with contrast cross-stitching. The rear comes with a bench seat with 60/40 split along with a foldable armrest and other creature comforts like a panoramic sunroof and rear AC vents.
The Karoq we drove featured the top-of-the-line 9.2-inch Columbus infotainment touchscreen, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation and more. The Sportline trim also gets a sporty flat-bottom steering wheel with contrast white stitching and a fully digital instrument cluster. Yes, Skoda also offers the virtual cockpit system as an option. The car with us had a 1.5-litre TSI petrol engine, and yes, it's most likely to be introduced in the Indian model as well. The 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine offers 148 brake horsepower, but the engine likes to be revved hard and maximum power comes around 6000 RPM. The motor also offers ample torque, 250 Nm to be precise, and all of it is available from as low as 1500 RPM, thus offering a strong low and mid-range. While Skoda offers an optional 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, we drove the 6-speed manual. The suspension too does a great job of handling some of the minor undulations that came our way, offering a comfortable ride. Initially, it does feel a bit stiff, but it starts to feel just right as you drive the car a bit. The car also handles well and is in line with expectations you would have from a VW Group product in any case. Its compact proportions lend to that handling, and ride quality is also good. The Skoda Karoq certainly makes a strong case for itself. It's good looking, well equipped and well built. It also offers great ride and handling. However, it will have a tough time going up against upcoming competition like the MG Hector and Kia Seltos, along with existing players like the Tata Harrier and the Jeep Compass. So it all boils down to the pricing of the SUV. And if Skoda gets that right, staying well under 17 or even 16 lakh rupees, it will certainly be a strong contender in the compact SUV space.